Hi there, I'm Dr. Francesca Zampollo and welcome to this video where we will have a look at how the food design thinking process looks like. Food design thinking is divided into 6 phases, each one including a number of methods. Each method is designed to conduct a certain activity and generate a certain type of result. The result of a method will be the starting point for the following method. In this sense, the process is virtually represented in a linear way, as all methods are sequential to one another. My advice is for you to follow the sequence of methods shown in the book, at least for the first couple of times that you use this process. And as you become familiar with the methods themselves and the overall process, you will be able to pick and choose the methods that you need. These are the 6 different phases, each one with a specific goal and each one having its own set of methods. The expand phase is the very beginning of the process, where you start by expanding your horizon. This is where you choose the basis of your project, where you define your food design challenge and determine the context of your project. The explore phase is where you explore your context of interest. This is where you learn everything you can about the space in which you are going to design. You conduct this investigation using the information that is already available to you, and using information that you will generate using various methods that will bring you closer to the community and people who live in this space. The evaluate phase is made by the methods that help you make sense of the information you generate in the previous phase and translate them in a format that you can then use in the following phase. As you can see, the process goes through the explore methods, then moves to evaluate methods, then back to explore methods, and then evaluate methods again. Usually, generic design thinking processes would get you to collect and generate your insights, and then and only then analyze all of them. I do not think that this is the most efficient way to do this, so I have designed this sequence of methods that go from one phase to the next in order to make sure that every insight that you collect is analyzed and understood and then used for the following method. The envision phase is where you generate ideas and use the insights previously collected to make a selection of the best ideas. The experiment phase is where you combine those ideas into food design concepts and where you start prototyping these concepts. The execute phase is the final phase where you define your concept and prepare it to become reality.